Hello guys, welcome back. I'm going to show you here how you actually started to scale group on Figma. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video. Actually, we can have some kind of certain thing that is ready to be satisfied with a copy of this progress. As you can see about that, which is actually to be satisfied with the progress that can be really satisfied with that. Okay, so first of all, what you're gonna do is about for this video. This is gonna be really helpful through a situation that it should be about that, whether it can be really about to help you on everything that is ready to be satisfied on this video. Okay, so what you're gonna do is about to start to have a progress on something that is really to be important to do that. So we can actually start to have many copies of that. We can actually start to have a certain skills with this progress. So this may be really helpful a lot of things, and this is gonna be really good and very important about to go with that through the progress that we can have actually to do. So as you can see, you can actually start to control it, or maybe press control, hold the control in, and then once you have selected the group, okay, so sorry, you can actually do that on the layers on the left corner. Now you can start to scale like this with that technique, and this would be helping you a lot of things to understand how you do it.